frauds kill me. Like, why are you faking the funk? I hate that. I hate people that just be just faking. Like, why? Like, it just feels like so much energy. You just wasting energy on like faking shit. People just faking about everything. Faking what they do every day. Faking how much money they make. Faking what kind of hair they got. Druggies. Faking like y'all not druggies. Lying and stuff. Lying and scheming. I really hate fraud. Lying in front of one person. Oh, no, no, no. And then be over there. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, fuck out of here. That's some fake shit. Like, is there something wrong with you guys' vision or something? Do you not see what other people are seeing? Look in the mirror. Like, keep with reality. Like, yeah, smash that. False. Yeah, I got stacks. False. Yeah, my hair down here. False. And I don't like that girl. But you really do. And you fucked her too, but you don't want to tell nobody. Because how that make you look? I ain't fuck him. False. You did. I ain't suck his dick. Yes, you did. I'm lying. In all realness, when you lie and you fake, it just all gonna come up underneath the rug. And then just gonna be sitting there and you just gonna be looking there dumb. Like, how your face gonna be? That's how your face gonna be? Just tell the truth. Nothing but the truth to help you guys. But don't be like too like overboard with it, like on some like aggressive type huskiness. Say what I want, when I want, how I want, to who I want. No disrespect, but I'm about to disrespect the shit out you. Like on some side that you really need to be telling them the truth more, you should be telling them the truth. And stop trying to lie to people, tossing their blows and stuff. Don't do that. They need to straight up. Especially these dudes out here, give it to them straight up. Let them know. Yo, you a fucking nut. You gay. That's some gay shit. Let them know. We gotta let them know from the jump. Yo, that's some gay shit. That shit is dirty. Real dirty. You a dirtball for thinking it, for doing it. Let them know. That's some dirtball shit. I be wondering, like, how does it feel to be fake? But then again, I don't want to wonder because like, I don't want to feel like that. Like, I don't want to feel like fake and I don't want none of that fakeness around me. Please, stay back. Stay back. Real over here. Nothing but it. What you see is what you get. No faking nothing for you. You don't pay my bills. You don't put food in my mouth. No, I know faking for you. This is real shit right here. Too many frauds out here. Frauds and haters, just overpopulating. Too many haters. Like, a hater used to be cool because like you needed that hater just like keep you pushing, keep you moving. But now everybody's got something to say. No, that's not right. You shut the fuck up. Why you hating? Yo, cause she he like shut the fuck up. Really? Who cares? And you making up some stuff too. Shut the fuck up. Come with facts, you fraud. That's enough, goddammit. Y'all haters are just making it bad for everybody. You're supposed to be uplifting people. All this hatred. What's up with it? That's why we just keep on going down, down, down. Because people keep on hating on me. Man, I'm in my own bubble. I be like, huh? Who gives a fuck of what a hater gotta say? Like, for real. Back. Matter of fact, you say I couldn't do it? Bet you I can. Bet you I will. Eating again, y'all. I just love my food. Like, I can't help it. How you eat? How you eat? This how I eat. My spoon is quite tight, big for this yogurt. This the greedy spoon. But yeah, though, just hating on other people. Just hating on all this hate. Team light skin, team dark skin, team fat, team thick, team skinny, team got money, team broke. How about some stuff we can all join in, you know? Team natural bitch face. My natural bitch face and shit. Laura, you good? Huh? I'm good. Yeah, I'm straight. Team my breath stink in the morning, like. For real though, like, everybody. Team I do me all day, every day. Subject up to that, keeping it real. There's a lot of people out here that's frauding. Like, people need to be wearing like those cards or whatever, like on your shoulder, like, hello, my name is so-and-so, and I'm a fucking psycho. I'm a dirty ass motherfucker. I'm a stealer. I'm a killer. I'm conceited. I'm a gold digger. I'm a fiend. It's a Lori thing, and I'm fucking crazy. Do something real today. Subject up to that, keeping it real.